Hi guys, how you doing? Today I want to talk to you about the basics of Tunisian crochet. For this project, I'm going to be using a lightweight yarn, stretch yarn like this, and a specific hook for Tunisian crochet. You can use a hook like this, a very basic straight one without rubber or any detailing on the handle to practice, but ideally you should get a proper one like this. They are really long and they have a large detail at the end to keep your project from falling from the hook. Mine is broken, unfortunately, but it works just fine. Tunisian crochet is something in between crochet and knitting. If you already know how to crochet, it will be very easy for you to learn Tunisian crochet. It looks a lot like knitting, but the technique is crochet and you just need one hook. Okay, let's talk about the things that are specific for Tunisian crochet. In Tunisian crochet, we never turn our project. We always work from the right side only. We start the row here, and when we get to the end of the row, we do what's called a return pass. Don't worry, it will be very clear when we start practice. For Tunisian crochet, you should go up on your hook size. I'm using this 4.5 millimeter one. And just so you have an idea, for this yarn I would normally use something like this, a 2 millimeter hook, but for Tunisian 4.5. For this yarn I would even go up to 5 millimeters, no problem. To start, we're going to do a slip knot. The way I do it is I wrap my yarn around my finger like this, insert my hook in here, grab this yarn, pull through and tight it up. We are going to start it with normal chains as we would for normal crochet. I'm gonna do 16 for this practice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. For Tunisian crochet, we are going to work on the back bumps of our chain. For example, for normal crochet, we would insert our hooks here. But for Tunisian crochet, we are going to turn our chains like this and insert the hook here on this back bump. We're gonna insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, and leave this loop on our hook. Insert the hook on the back bump, yarn over, pull up a loop, and leave it. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull up and leave it. We're going to do that till we reach our last chain. Just make sure to keep the tension in these loops here fairly loose because we are going to pass through them again on our return pass. Okay, for the return pass, we grab our yarn, yarn over, and pull through just this first stitch. For the next stitches, we yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, 2 loops, yarn over, 2 loops, yarn over, 2 loops, yarn over, 2 loops. We repeat that until we have just 1 loop on our hook. 1 loop on our hook like this. Okay, this is the foundation for any kind of Tunisian crochet stitch. Now we are going to do our simple Tunisian crochet. For the simple Tunisian crochet, we insert the hook here on this second vertical bar, like 1, 2, the second one, like this. Yarn over, pull through, leaving the loop on our hook. Vertical bar, yarn over, pull through, vertical bar, yarn over, pull through, vertical bar, yarn over, pull through. We do that until the end of our project here. When we get to our last stitch here, we are going to insert the hook inside these two ears. Like we should have 2 bars on our hook for the last stitch, and pull through. Okay, now we do our return pass exactly the same way as we did before. Yarn over, pull through the first, yarn over, and the rest of the stitches we pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, 2, and we repeat that till the end of our row here. That's it. This is Tunisian crochet, and now we can do as many rows as we want to get whatever size, however many rows as we want. Okay guys, that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!